I'm a huge fan of AWS Premium support. They are not only very helpful, but also very knowledgeable. And now, very generously, they have open sourced some of the tools or scripts they use in their day to day operations. On your screen, you can see this GitHub repo from AWS support, where they have aggregated all of these support tools and they have arranged them service wise. For instance, you can use these tools or scripts related to every service which they have in this repo. For instance, we have this tool which is EPS stat, which you can use to check the aggregate EBS throughput of your EC2 instance. This script primarily uses systat, and it's simply a shell script which you can run in your Linux environment. And it has all the steps and all the code. All you need to do is to copy paste in your environment and run it from there. Or you can simply clone this repo and use it. Similarly, there is this script which is related to API gateway. There are various tools like you can use this script called for latency to check any latency in your uh, API gateway, or you can check the VPC links status. And I'm sure they'll be adding more and more tools as the time progresses. Another example I would like to show you is that they have this Cloud Former tool, which is a solution to or a tool to launch the solution into your existing VPCs. You can go into this repo and read more about it. They're very simple to use and very, very handy, especially if you are into the cloud operations. And if you go through this repo, there are a lot of services which are there. For instance, we have this S3. So if you go into the S3, you will see uh, S3 transfer acceleration. And if you go into S3 transfer acceleration, they have this bash script with a readme file as how you can run it and all that stuff. I hope that this is useful, and definitely I'll drop the link in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.